Hey everyone, I know it's been a while. It's been 2 months or more. I could not upload any video to my channel as I was swamped. Thank you anyway for sticking around. I am back, refreshed, and super excited to bring you new content today. Let us jump right in and make the journey even better. This video is specifically for Class 11 students following Meghalaya Board of School Education syllabus. I know this channel was meant to teach grammar, however, since I'm dealing with the poem as well in the college where I'm teaching, I would like to explain on one poem today, that is The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. So the poem that we're going to learn about starts with the words or with the lines, "And who art thou, said I, to the soft falling shower." Here I refers to the poet himself, and this poem is about the conversation that went on between the poet and the rain. And here in this poem, the poet asks for the rain's identity. The poet sees the gentle rain falling and talks to it. He asks the rain, "Who are you?" This shows about the poet's curiosity and imagination. He treats nature like it can speak. The second line goes, "Which strange to tell, give me an answer," as here translated. Though the poet was having conversation with the rain, he was not expecting any answer from the rain because he already knows that rain is an inanimate object and it cannot speak. Surprisingly, the rain replies to him. The poet says that he is now sharing that answer with us by translating his voice into words. And in the poem, the rain says, "I am the poem of earth." The rain introduces itself. It says, "I am the poem of earth." This means the rain is nature's song. It is beautiful, soothing, and full of life, just like a poem. We all know that whenever we feel bad or we are excited or we are happy, no matter what the day, we always listen to a song or we like the song. Therefore, whenever we listen to the song, it gives satisfaction to our soul, human soul. Therefore, similarly, the rain gives satisfaction to our Mother Earth. Next line goes, "Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and bottomless sea, upward to heaven." So rain explains how it rises forever, eternally, or everlasting, as water vapor, which is invisible and untouchable, which is written as impalpable in the poem. From the land and deep sea, it rises from the land and the deep sea, and this refers to the water cycle where water evaporates. Let's see what is there in the next line. "Whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same." The vapor goes up to the sky called heaven. There it takes a new form, that is clouds, which look different and have changed form, but are still made of water. When we look up to the sky, we will see the clouds, and we will always see that one cloud is always different from another in shape. They are never same. So therefore, although they are different, they are still made of water. Therefore, it is changed but still the same in essence. Now in this picture, you will see the water cycle. Here, the process of water cycle, where the water rises from the collection or the seas and rivers, goes up to the sky in the form of evaporation or in the process of evaporation, and then condenses into clouds and comes back in the process of precipitation. Next line, "I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe." So the rain says that after forming in the sky, it comes back down to the earth. It leaves. Here leaves means washes or baths the dry areas, which is known as droughts in the poem, the tiny particles, atoms, and the dusts on the surface of the earth. It refreshes everything, because whenever there is dust, it looks dirty, and the rain cleanses it all. Next line, "And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent and unborn." Without the rain, seeds in the soil remain hidden, dormant, latent, and lifeless, unborn. The rain gives them the water they need to grow. So rain brings life to plants and crops. Not only it washes away the dirt from the earth or the earth's surface, but it also helps in the germination of seeds. It helps the plants and trees grow. "And forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin." So rain says that it continues this process forever, both day and night. Whether it is daytime or it is nighttime, the rain always do its duty. It returns life to the earth, which is its own source of origin, the place from where the vapor rises. So the rain rises from its origin, means from the earth. all right? And the rain gives back life to the rivers and waters and streams and make pure and beautify it. Rain cleanses, makes pure, and beautifies the earth. It washes away dust, cools the environment, and makes plants grow, making the world fresh and beautiful. Of course, when our house is dirty or dusty, or when our environment, when our surrounding is dusty, we are able to clean them all on our own. But about the environment that is around us, the hills, mountains, the rain do the work. Now, the poet compares the rain to a song. Here you will see, for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. Here, wrecked or unwrecked refers to reckoned or unreckoned, or cared for or uncared for. So, the poet compares the rain to a song. Just like a song comes out of a poet's heart, its birthplace, it travels far and wide, it fulfills its purpose, brings joy and wonders around. Whether people notice and appreciate the song or the rain or not, it still returns with love to where it came from, the earth. This means that the rain does its duty lovingly without expecting any recognition. So the overall meaning of the poem is, Walt Whitman presents a conversation between himself and the rain, in which the rain describes its natural cycle, that is evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, in poetic and beautiful terms. It compares itself to a song. Both start from their origin, travel around, bring beauty and life, and finally return with love. So this is all about the explanation on the voice of the rain. In the next video, I'll be providing you the notes on the chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you, everyone.